Hi guys, so in this section we will learn about checkbox. So to define that we use same input tag but type should be checkbox. Okay, so this name we are ignoring right now. It will be used for server side programming and this will be the name of checkbox. Okay, this one attribute called checked. If you are putting checked, then by default when your web page is loaded, that checkbox will be by default be checked. Okay, so that way you will define the checkbox. So let's see the output. Load. See, so by default Java is checked, Python and C plus is not checked. You want to check all these things, multiple check can be happen. So checkbox is nothing but where we can select multiple values. Okay, so this is about checkbox. Thank you.